Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you how to stop spam calls on Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on settings right here. Next thing you want to do to scroll down right here, continue to scroll down and go ahead and click on Google right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on all services. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to phone number sharing. Go ahead and click on that. What you need to do is to make sure you turn off this icon. Once you turn off this, Google will not be able to share your phone number across apps, web, or any unwanted and third-party app services like so. It's that simple. Lastly, go ahead and exit from your phone number sharing, and then what you want to do here is to go back to your settings on your Android device. So go ahead and click on settings. On getting to your settings, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and look for your permission manager. So if you cannot see permission manager from the display under the settings icon right here, go ahead and click on your search icon and then type in permission. So go ahead and search for permission. Then here you go. Now here you have permission manager. Go ahead and click on permission manager. So under the permission manager, go ahead and click on permission manager again. Under the permission management, then here you go. You have call logs and contact. So what you need to do right here is to review your call logs. Go ahead and click on call logs right here. Under the call logs, you have all apps that are having access to your phone number. You can scroll down right here and check on anyone and review as much as possible. This allows some of the unrecognized apps from calling you right here. You can see apps with this permission can read and write and phone call logs. So you have to review any app that you are not actually trusted right here. What you need to do is to click on the app and make sure you disallow them. It's that simple. Go back to your go back to your permission manager right here. Then scroll down right here and make sure you scroll down until you get to phone right here. Go ahead and click on phone. So here, apps with this permission can make and manage phone calls. Here, review as many as possible apps right here. Anyone you found out here that you are not really sure of the app, go ahead and select on the app. Go ahead and click on don't allow. Once you click on don't allow, you will stop receiving random calls or spam calls from that particular app. You can review as many as possible apps in this section to block them from getting you a spam calls. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone device, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.